Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G, and I'm gonna show y'all the dipped braid again, or not really braid, but chain. This is the one that I have already made, but I'm gonna make it a little different today. This one's larger, so today I'm gonna make one using the same size as these, but smaller. I'm actually making this for garters, and I'm gonna make it in the blue shade. So it's gonna go actually black to blue to white. So these are 4-inch, 7/8 inch ribbon strips, and they will go like this. And then the lighter blue, and then the white. So those spaces are because that's where I'm gonna show you how to make them with this. Okay, so since I already made that one, okay, here's what I do. See how this one, it's made with this loop on top, right? Okay, so the next one I'm gonna make is gonna be this loop on top. So the way I do that is I layer them. I take this one here, put it on the bottom, and then this one. Then I loop that one over, lining it up, and then I loop this one over. And I just make sure they're squared off here. So I try to cut them pretty straight. Again, they're 4-inch strips for this size, which I love the way the bigger one looks, but I want to make this for a garter, and it's not a huge garter, it's a freshman. So that's why I'm trying to make them smaller. So then you just staple. I just put a little staple here because I am going to cover it in some bling. Okay. And then we have this one, and then this one. And I'm going to show you one more with the white strands, which my white strands may have flown away. Okay, there they are. All right. Okay, so the white, we're going to put this one on top this time. So this goes on bottom, and then this one, and this one, and this one. I'm going to put a staple right here. And it's going to go like that. So it's kind of an ombre look, and I want to see, I mean, I need to get like maybe one more shade to make it even look better, but this is what I have right now, so this will work. Okay, I'm going to come back with the ribbon cut, the next ribbon cut. Okay, so I cut a 7/8 inch in white to 24 inches. And I'm just going to line the bottom up with that. Make sure you can't see through it. I'm just trying to get it as, centered and in the middle as possible. I'm going to put another staple right here. And the next one. So I'm just going to line them up exactly. So I'm not trying to overlap them in this one. Which maybe I will just a little. I don't know. Let me see what's better. And I probably should have put this staple this way as well, but that's okay. No worries. Okay, so I just want to make sure that it doesn't like get too crazy looking or off. But okay, we're just going to go with not overlapping on this one. Okay. So there's the black. Now we're at the blue. Again, I just make sure that I alternate which loop is on top just so that it doesn't like all kind of pull to one side. Probably wouldn't matter in the long run. Now we're at the lighter blue. And if you wanted to make this longer, of course you can. Just put, if you don't have any more colors like me, then you can just do 3 of each or something like that. But I just like the way the 2 looks. All right, and then I'm gonna top it off with white. And that's why I'm doing that back ribbon as white, just so that it looks like it ombres up into the white. Or dipped. That's actually kind of how I think of them, as like if you were to dip it in the colors. But yeah, ombre dip sort of thing going on here. Okay. Still trying to keep it pretty in the middle. Pretty much in the middle, all right? All right, so there we go. Now I'll come back and show you after I bling it up too. And again, this is going for a guy's garter. So I'm gonna see what I have that maybe, I'm not gonna put the flower one like this one, but I'm gonna do something. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this, but only like a couple squares wide. So I'm gonna try cutting it here. They're these little mirrored square strips.
Mommy, can you open this?
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Here, baby. Here, honey. That's all you need it down because you can eat that part, okay? It gets really sticky if you try to pull it down further. Okay, so here's the bling that I chose. Let's see how easy it is to put on. This actually has sticky stuff on the back already. I bet you it's not that strong, but we'll see. I'm gonna get it all the way down to the bottom. We'll see how this goes. If it doesn't stick that well, then I'll go back and put hot glue in spots. Really, I could have probably put that strip all the way up, but I can still add it if I want later. So there's that. I like that, especially for guys. Okay, thanks y'all.